Hi! I see you're about to become smarter. This video will help you to improve your English language skills. So let's begin.
Feminist. Feminist. Feminist means person who supports feminism. For example, there are a million types of different women who consider themselves feminists but don't have the same agenda. There are a million types of different women who consider themselves feminists but don't have the same agenda. Filmmaker. Filmmaker. Filmmaker means person who directs or produces films for cinema or television. For example, I've found most filmmakers love a good conversation. I've found most filmmakers love a good conversation. Filter. Filter. Filter means porous device removing impurities etc. from liquid or gas. For example, an oil filter. An oil filter. Synonyms: strainer, sifter. Fine. Fine. Fine means small particles found in mining, milling, etc. For example, it raises dust, separating fines from aggregate. It raises dust, separating fines from aggregate. Firearm. Firearm. Firearm means rifle, pistol, or other portable gun. For example, Jones pleaded guilty to possessing a firearm with criminal intent. Jones pleaded guilty to possessing a firearm with criminal intent. Synonyms: gun, weapon. Fit. Fit. Fit means way something fits. For example, the dress was a perfect fit. The dress was a perfect fit. Fixture. Fixture. Fixture means piece of equipment etc. fixed in position. For example, a light fixture. A light fixture. Synonyms: fixed appliance, attachment, installation. Flaw. Flaw. Flaw means mark or blemish. For example, plates with flaws in them were sold at the outlet store. Plates with flaws in them were sold at the outlet store. Synonyms: defect, blemish, fault. Fleet. Fleet. Fleet means group of ships sailing together, engaged in same activity, or under same ownership. For example, the small port supports a fishing fleet. The small port supports a fishing fleet. Flexibility. Flexibility. Flexibility means quality of bending easily without breaking. For example, players gained improved flexibility in their ankles. Players gained improved flexibility in their ankles. Synonyms: pliability, suppleness, pliancy. Fluid. Fluid. Fluid means substance with no fixed shape, yielding easily to pressure. For example, we all need several glasses of fluid a day. We all need several glasses of fluid a day. Synonyms: flowing substance. Footage. Footage. Footage means part of cinema or television film recording particular event. For example, film footage of the riot. Film footage of the riot. Foreigner. Foreigner. Foreigner means person born in or coming from country other than one's own. For example, this foreigner was born in Japan, as were his parents. This foreigner was born in Japan, as were his parents. Formula. Formula. Formula means mathematical relationship in symbols. For example, the formula for the capacitance of a spherical capacitor. The formula for the capacitance of a spherical capacitor. Franchise. Franchise. Franchise means authorization enabling person to carry out commercial activities. For example, Toyota granted the group a franchise. Toyota granted the group a franchise. Synonyms: warrant, charter, license. Frustration. Frustration. Frustration means feeling of being upset or annoyed. For example, I sometimes feel like screaming with frustration. I sometimes feel like screaming with frustration. Synonyms: exasperation, annoyance, anger. Fundraising. Fundraising. Fundraising means seeking of financial support for enterprise. For example, a new development director in charge of fundraising. A new development director in charge of fundraising. Funeral. Funeral. Funeral means ceremony or service held shortly after person's death, usually including person's burial or cremation. For example, in the afternoon, he'd attended a funeral. In the afternoon, he'd attended a funeral. Synonyms: burial, burying, interment. Gallon. Gallon. Gallon means unit of volume equivalent to 3.79 liters. For example, even if we use Molar's 645 horsepower figure, that's 43 gallons per hour. Even if we use Molar's 645 horsepower figure, that's 43 gallons per hour. Gathering. Gathering. Gathering means assembly. For example, a family gathering. A family gathering. Synonyms: assembly, meeting, meet.
Great! Watch again, practice the sound, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.